In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x000001f4. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to check your internet connection. So try to check your internet connection and see if it's stable. Make sure that it is marked connected and not no internet. Because if it mark here no internet, you need to try to connect to another internet network and check if the problem has been fixed. And if not, run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At these settings, please navigate to the upper left side. You can see a search bar. Type for Windows Space Store. Then kindly wait until you can see a result where you can find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on it. And then from here, please click on next so that you can run the troubleshooter and this will help you to fix if the app is not working right. Okay. So try to check if the error has been fixed and if not, then I want you to proceed to the last step and that is to clear the Microsoft Store cached and junk files. Press Windows key and R key together. In this way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Type for wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button. Wait until this would be done, okay? Once you're done with this, you're good to go. Your problem will be fixed. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.